来关心国际消息，美国总统拜登伫白宫发表全国演说，强调罗西亚甲哈马斯代表无共的威胁，为着要阻挡暴力冲突，美国就要继续援助以色列甲乌克兰，若援助的对象嘛包括台湾。
Hamas and Putin represent different threats, but they share this in common. They both want to completely annihilate a neighboring democracy. You know, history has taught us that when terrorists don't pay a price for their terror, when dictators don't pay a price for their aggression, they cause more chaos and death and more destruction. They keep going, and the cost and the threats to America and the world keep rising.
拜登总统任内第2届伫白宫发表全国演说，甲全美国人发声，呼吁百姓继续支持政府对抗恐怖主义，维护国家安全和民主。另外，白宫会正式要求国会针对以色列、乌克兰、台湾和美国南部边境提供大概美金1000亿的经费援助。拜登强调，支持乌克兰甲以色列，就是咧对抗罗西亚和武装的组织，这对美国的国家安全是真要紧的代志。